Are you a small business owner feeling overwhelmed by marketing? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced digital world, getting noticed is harder than ever, but also more important. Between running your business, serving customers, and handling day-to-day operations, marketing often ends up last on the list, or worse, rushed and inconsistent. That's where affordable marketing agencies come in. Think of them as your behind-the-scenes powerhouse, helping you stand out, grow your brand, and bring in results, all without breaking the bank. Here's what you get: expert-level strategy without the big price tag, tailored marketing that fits your goals and budget, scalable services that grow with your business, measurable results so you can track every dollar spent. Not sure where to start? Define your marketing goals. Research agencies that understand small business. Ask for success stories and case studies. Your business deserves to shine. With the right marketing partner, you'll stop guessing and start growing. Ready to level up? Contact MarketinGear today and unlock your business's full potential.